Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the Big Bad Alpha. I know we all are using one thing for sure, and that is, phones, because some of you are watching my video on phone. We're probably like using phones for banking transactions to delivering food. हर चीज अब digitalize होती जा रही है, which is a cool thing. But as a man, you should know when to stop. Okay, there are some things we're doing wrong. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So the number one thing we all should delete from our phones are, wait a second, boom, Snapchat. Guys, you don't need Snapchat. I know you all be like, we want to look cute, we want to look like Lady Gaga, Dua Lipa. I get it, but you don't have to look like Lady Gaga and Dua Lipa, and you don't have to look white all the time. अच्छा, आजकल सबसे बड़ी इनसिक्योरिटी क्या है कि यार हम काले हैं या हमारी कंप्लेक्शन थोड़ी ब्राउनिश आ रही है या दिस या दैट, तो हम क्या करेंगे? we're gonna apply shit tons of filters. I know right now you can apply shit tons of filters और बाद में you can upload it, which is totally fine. But जब आप real life में किसी से मिलते हो, ठीक है, if you're like dating online and then you meet that person in real life, they're gonna probably see your real face without any, Snapchat filters, right? So you should delete Snapchat right now. I know यहाँ पे I might get like two types of comments, like I don't want to delete Snapchat versus this versus that, but you have to. You're a man and you're still using Snapchat in 2024, then I'm disappointed. Okay, delete it. और अगर आपके पास इतना टाइम है कि आप like एक फोटो खींच के 50 लोगों तक भेज रहे हो और उनकी स्ट्रीक्स भी देख रहे हो और you're maintaining a streak, then you're doing something wrong with your life. कुछ और करो, because right now जिस ट्रैक पे जा रहे हो, that this shows कि you're not making any progress. You're wasting your time, streaking. But this is like something you should avoid. Second app जो हम सब यूज कर रहे हैं and we should not is TikTok. I know कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स कहेंगे कि यार टिकटॉक से बहुत पैसा कमाया जा सकता है, ये हो सकता है, वो हो सकता है, फेम कमाया जा सकता है, ये किया जा सकता है, वो किया जा सकता है. बट इफ यू आर यूजिंग टिकटॉक ऑल डे लॉन्ग, लाइक जब भी तुम्हें टाइम मिला है, ठीक है, you're just you're destroying your life, you're wasting your life right now by using TikTok. I know मुझे इस वीडियो को बनाने की जरूरत तब पड़ी because I realized कि यार I'm wasting my time so much on my phone, like I'm using so many crappy apps all the time. मुझे realize भी नहीं होता, and suddenly like 2 बजे and I start using phone and then I see the clock and damn, it's 5. And same is happening to you, जो कि अभी तुम्हें currently पता नहीं है, but this is happening to all of us. We need to get rid of stupid apps. हाँ ठीक है, एक्सेप्शन है if you're a content creator. अच्छा, एक चीज याद रखो, अब डिफरेंस बिटवीन कंटेंट क्रिएटर वर्सेस अ यूजर. यूजर जो है वो अपना मैक्सिमम टाइम इन्वेस्ट करता है यूजिंग दैट ऐप, और जो कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स हैं, ठीक है, दे यूज दोज एप्स फॉर पोस्टिंग देयर कंटेंट. सो इफ यू आर ओनली यूजिंग all the apps for posting your content, then basically it's all right. You have to, because you're a content creator, you need different apps, you need people to follow you and this and that and comment, like, then it's totally fine. But if you're wasting your life, your time on stupid apps, like I know I'm being rude to Snapchat and TikTok, but someone has to, so I'm that guy, right? Third app जो I think we should delete right away from our phones is PUBG or any sort of other games, like heavy big games. I know you guys be like कि तो हम fun time पे क्या करें, ये क्या करें, वो क्या करें, but seriously, अगर you're a person who has this much time to play PUBG for hours, right, on phones specifically, then you're doing something wrong in your life. ठीक है, delete that PUBG, invest करो अपना time doing something more productive, doing something more creative जो तुम्हारी life में long run में तुम्हारी help करे, right? These games, I know they are fun. I have like FIFA Mobile in my phone and I like play that game for like at least an hour or 1.5 hour every day because I'm like obsessed with it, right? This is not a sponsored video, but still some of you will know what I'm trying to say. So it's totally okay, right, to have few games here and there in your phone, and whenever you're bored or you don't want to play something, you can just play the game. But if you're playing like FIFA or COD, ये इस तरह की गेम्स हैं, they're super addictive और they're super like time consuming. एक मैच 40-40 मिनट का होता है, ये होता है, रूम्स है, ये है, वो है, ठीक है. मैं जहाँ जा रहा हूँ आजकल, like I'm seeing ये जितने हमारे youngsters हैं from age 18 to 20, they're using their time, they're wasting their time playing those stupid games. I know यहाँ पे मुझे दो टाइप के डेफिनेटली रिस्पॉन्सेज मिल सकते हैं कि गेम्स आर वेरी गुड फॉर यू ऑन सम लेवल, बिकॉज आई हैव आल्सो हर्ड और आल्सो रेड दैट रिसर्च कि जिसमें कह रहे हैं कि गेम्स आर वेरी लाइक हेल्थी इन सम सॉर्ट ऑफ वे. तो इफ यू आर अ पर्सन हु लाइक्स प्लेइंग अ गेम या दिस एंड दैट, तो यू शुड डू इट. मैं ये रिकमेंड करूंगा कि आप लोग अगर गेम ही खेलना चाहते हो, यू शुड प्ले चेस, ठीक है, जहाँ पे आपका दिमाग एक्चुअल में, ठीक है, इन्वेस्ट हो. आपको you know, you need to learn how to play chess or chess के rules, ये वो. Now that is like a classy game, right? If you cannot afford a chess board and like those pieces, you can download an app and you can start playing chess like whenever you want. So I believe that I will say a tick to a chess game. Then like PUBG, if I have to choose a PUBG and a chess game, I'll go with chess, right? ये सब तो चलता ही रहेगा. And other app, ठीक है, जो हमारे पास है एंड वी आर बेसिकली यूजिंग इट रॉन्गली, इज एडिटर ऐप. ठीक है, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, ये चीज के बारे में पहले बात कर चुका हूं. हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि अगर हमारी बॉडी में कोई भी इम्परफेक्शंस हैं, ठीक है, हम उस एडिटर को यूज करके अपने इम्परफेक्शंस दूर कर देते हैं और बाद में हम लोग वो अपनी फोटोज पोस्ट करते हैं. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा आई हैव नेवर डन इट, आई हैव डन इट इन द पास्ट एज वेल. ठीक है, अगर आप मेरी 2022, 21, 20, even 2020 की फोटोज देखो, there is a huge difference between that time and now. Okay, as you can see this and you can see that. There is a huge difference. Okay, but now I am more obsessed with being real. Like जो मैं हूँ, I post that. Wherever I'm going, I post that. Right? ये बहुत important है. I know posting is like basically हमारी life की routine, and we all are obsessed with it. We all like posting on Instagram, on Facebook, on other social media apps, like adding WhatsApp statuses and stuff, but which is totally cool. अच्छी बात है, अगर आप करते हो, आपको अच्छा लगता है, you're like a fan of posting stuff, then it's cool. ठीक है, sharing memes, this, that, which is totally fine. But अब यहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा, you know, बात आने वाला है कि if you're spending, ठीक है, too much time, आपके फोन में अगर कोई ऐसा ऐप है जो डेली बेसिस पे 2 घंटे से ज्यादा कंज्यूम हो रहा है, delete that app. Unless it's for business, unless it's for your work, unless it's for like something you do, okay, for earn money, like a Shopify app or you know Facebook or something for marketing and stuff. अगर आप वो वाले apps use कर रहे हो for your business, उसकी बेहतरी के लिए, उसकी marketing के लिए, then a thumbs up for you. और अगर आप वैसे उनका कंटेंट कंज्यूम कर रहे हो, like I know आजकल सबसे जो बुरी चीज है, we all are addicted to reels so much. Like, you know, पूरा दिन we just like keep looking and algorithm keeps feeding us. Like जो भी हमारे mind में चल रहा होता है, we just, you know, have it in our phone. लेकिन मैंने कोई चीज़ सोच रहे हो तो वो भी आपको फ़ोन में मिल जाएगी. I know ये चीज़ बहुत helpful है, but at the same time इसके अपने drawbacks भी हैं. So if you're a smart person, you really want to do good in life, then you have to stop using your phone in a wrong way and start using it in a right way. You won't believe a true story कि मेरा cousin, he just cleared a very difficult exam. How he did it? By using his phone, right? उसने use किया for study, but most of us are using it for entertainment, for having fun, which is totally fine. मतलब once in a while, अगर आप अपने daily task complete कर चुके हो and now you just want to have fun, you need entertainment, then of course your phone got your back. But stop living inside your phone. I'm gonna quote this line. Stop living inside your phone. Your life should be like outside. Okay? Your home should be only for sleeping and eating food. Okay? Spend your life outside. I spend so much my time inside and I'm not proud of it. Okay? But now I do whatever I can to go outside, have fun, relax, work, go to the gym, do some real stuff instead of just like, you know, doing stuff on my phone, right? So, and now I'm going to give you the bonus tip, which apps you should have on your phone. So the number one app you should have your phone is, of course, ChatGPT. guess what you're doing? ChatGPT is like most trusted app right now in my app collection. I use it every day. Okay, whenever I'm working, I need help. Whenever I'm posting, editing, or anything I'm doing, I need help. I always open ChatGPT. I give him the command, and ChatGPT always help. AI के बहुत ज़्यादा फायदे हैं, लेकिन हम लोग पता है AI किस लिए कर रहे हैं आजकल? एडिटिंग के लिए. लाइक आप भी देख रहे होगे ना, वो किसिंग ट्रेंड स्टार्ट हुआ है, एक तरफ एक फोटो, एक तरफ ये, एंड देन लाइक बूम. Come on, guys. AI is way more than that. So start using apps that actually make sense, that actually are in your life to make your life better. Pintrest is a very amazing app. Okay, it's very good for the people who are doing business. जिनको बहुत से ideas चाहिए, creative ideas. Pinterest is the way to go. Okay, and I know I would say Twitter. Okay, just to stay updated for the news. Like in Pakistan, that app is like banned for some reason. We all know the reasons, but that app is banned in Pakistan. So Twitter is right now is like no, it's a no-go. So that's it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed. पता है इन सब बातों को करने का मकसद ये है कि मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग अपनी लाइफ जो है उसका कंट्रोल खुद लो, ठीक है, अपने हाथ में लो. और एक लास्ट चीज ये है कि अपने फोन की नोटिफिकेशंस बंद कर दो. आपके फोन के पास इतनी पावर नहीं होनी चाहिए आपकी लाइफ में कि यार ये आके आपको बता रहा है कि अब फलां ये हो गया, अब इसने ये पोस्ट कर दिया. नो, आप लोग नहीं जानते, बट इन माई फोन ऑल नोटिफिकेशंस आर ऑफ. मुझे पता है कब मैंने व्हाट्सएप यूज करना है. नो आई हैव टाइम, आई एम गोना ओपन, आई एम गोना सी मैसेजेस एंड दैट्स इट. मुझे पता है कि मेरे एप्स मैंने कब कब यूज करने हैं. आई एम गोना फाइंड टाइम, आई एम गोना ओपन देम. उनको कोई पावर नहीं है इन माई लाइफ to give me all the information. ठीक है, and start listening to podcast के बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे apps हैं. iPodcast iPhone में तो है. If you are an iPhone user, then you're probably gonna have it in your phone. But if you don't have, आप podcast के app download कर सकते हो. Always invest your time learning. Then वो रिजवान वाला learning नहीं, actually learning knowledge, right? Then wasting your time having fun or doing all the cool stuff. No. Having money is cool. Being successful is cool. Being a great person your mother possibly brags about is cool. So, till next time, I'm going to see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for videos like these. And if you like that video, you know what to do. And I'm going to see you probably sooner than you think. Take care. Peace out.